Hello friends, today we are going to make a bird ostrich. So first of all we have to make two circles, and now you can see I am making alphabet letter V, and then I have to join it from the top in a curve form and then make two small circle pointed, and here you can see I am overlapping that alphabet V and now making a eyeball, and I have colored it with black, and you can see I have left the white dot inside the eyeball. And now I am going to choose some oil pastel color, here you can see how I am using the color. I am spreading the color all over in a circle direction. I am making a circle with colors and spreading it all over the eyes and face. So here I am making the face with blue color, and you can see how I am overlapping it. You have to use color in a lines. You have to make some lines from inside to outside, and now I am using a dark blue, and you can see how I am making a lines in a curve from inside to outside and making a round shape. And here you can see the shape of our bird is ready, and I'm using one more color tone. Here you can see I'm using a yellow and pink color tone to make it. And now I am going to use red in eyes, and yellow in beak. And now I have to make a body. So I'm making a straight line first in a round form. You can see it's little curved, and going to fill the color. And here also I'm going to make some lines, some uneven lines I'm going to make, as you can see how I'm applying the color. Now I'm using a dark tone, I'm using all shades of blue, light and dark shades, to give some variations. And also I'm using a pink and yellow for highlight. Here you can see this is very easy way to make a shape of bird. And now you have to guess which bird it's look like. This is ostrich. And now I'm making one more. So first of all I have to make two eyes with a circle, You can see I'm making an eyeball. And here you can see the same way I make a peak, and I'm using alphabet V and then join them in a curve form from top. And I'm making eyes using a red color, and I'm using a pink color here. And same way I'm making a line from inside to outside. My all strokes is going from inside to outer side. But remember, you have to make all stroke in a circular form to give a shape of circle. And now I am making a body, her neck. You can see how I am making a neck. I am also giving a stroke in neck also. And I am giving some more shades, some shades of purple and red. You can see I am going to follow the same formula, making lines from in outer direction, and I'm using different colors to give some shades. Here you can see our second orchid bird is also ready now. And you can use some other colors also. You can use some different colors to make more bright bird. And I'm giving some darker shade here, you can see. And now I'm making a small one as a baby orchid. So here I'm going to make a family. Here I'm using a light green color. So I have given different shade in different orchid. And you can see in this one I have made a straight neck. So our all shapes are completed now. And in the green one I am making some darker shades. I'm using orange also, pink also, and some blue shades also in this. So our bird is almost complete now. In the last, if you want, you can give some more darker tone. So you can use black also, black oil pastels. And you have to give some little lines only. You can see how I'm using a black color. I'm using in some part only to give some lines. So our bird is